Ke National People Party mendagasi kalau priang burom syaka parti au bak labor malnyang MLA bat MDC berim ke nongkrem konstituensi ha ke jinglang ke balalong ha office jong ke parti ke badan ha MC Road Shillong ya ke bala priang syaka parti da National President Conrad ke sangma ha ke jingidan lang kinongkit kam ke parti. National President Conrad ke sangma Berdairu menteri rang bak ke jelah ha bekran ha ke jing priang burom yau bak lambor syaka parti mendagasi ke khatlai terik unai weng arajar arpesan ulong baulai iya kesan pertai nadu kesnem ke bau dang khat arsnem kerta bat ha kene kerta ulo kran paidbah ban kanbas election na ke benda ke parti apa pa syaka parti loong ba ke parti NPP ke don ke ya ke jingiateli ke jingkut jingmut ulong ba hoai ke don ke jingiapher jingmut ya kata ynlah benlen hynrei hakum kini ki kep kilai kran bat kilai pynbeit ya kata ke jingiapher bat ha ke bekut ki poisha ke wei kerai bat ya kata kerai ke dei ba barok ki burom bat kim juile persha.
Opposition parties try to bring out different kind of news to distract people. News that is not even true. Just few days earlier, there was news that there's a big rift between the NPP leaders. Preston and Conrad are not talking to each other. Snowbar is very angry with Conrad. Friends, I have no words to say. When this news came out, I called about Snowbar, and I asked him, are you angry with me? He said, I don't know where this news came from. Friends, let me tell you one thing. I've been in politics for a very, very long time. I may be young at age. But I have seen politics since I was 12 years old. That was the first time I gave my public speech, when I was 12 years old. And I've been campaigning for the party from that age. I may not have been a person with a big position in the party. I was just a common worker. I used to stick posters for the party. I used to climb a tree and put flag. Sometimes tear poster of the opposition also. That's politics before. But I have been through all of that. And I'll tell you, in my entire political career till date, which spans living close to 25 years and above, the way the NPP team today is working, I can assure you there is no other team that works like the National People's Party. The kind of unity we have, the kind of commitment we have differences. I'm not saying we agree on everything. This is democracy. We may not agree. But then, we come together and we say, fine, we agree to disagree. But we will continue to work together. If there is a difference in opinion, we will be in the room, we will discuss it. But we will come out with one opinion and one decision at the end. And we will never go against that decision. The respect that we have in our party, anybody sitting here today will tell you. We may have differences, as I said, but there is always the effort from our side that we reach out.
Ha kejingikran jong ba lambor malnyang hadian bala pediang ya usha ke parti NPP ulong ba om syam larung sya ke parti ban yakun ya ke election kwa ya kata hynrei kwa ya ke jingjap bat kwa ban I ba ke parti ke dei bandang kiu.
Am syam larung hadian balong menjale bantre hynrei ke parti bat da koi election bilong menjale election ngim kwa ya kata. Ngim kwa ya jingjap Miguan election. Komno menjol habspa habspa. Maksud saya itu mendapat PTA-nya lembaga yang konstitusi berkejutan kepentingan yang asasi dalam menganisa Amerika itu merah
Happy to see you as you rush to this place to be